In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Mendeley Reference Manager and Microsoft Word in 2024. So there's actually two ways of doing it. I'm going to show you both. The first one is a bit easier. However, if it's not available for you, you're going to have to go with the second route. So the first one is to actually open up your Microsoft Word, and then what you want to do in here inside Word, you want to go over here to the very top right. So inside the home banner, you want to go to the top right where it says add-ins. You want to click on it, and then over here, as you can see, I already have Mendeley. What you want to do is look for Mendeley over here, and then you simply want to click and press install. So I'm just gonna remove this add-in right now so I can show you how to do it yet again. There we go. So go to home, add-ins, and then in here, you want to look for Mendeley site. There we go. You want to click add. And just in a few seconds, this is going to add Mendeley to your Word program, so to Microsoft Word. Then it's going to also ask you to sign in with your account. So if you have an account already, simply sign in. If you don't, you're going to have to create one. It's very easy. And then once you sign in, as you can see, you'll be able to see all your references and all your sources and different articles you've put into Mendeley over here as well. If you don't see them, make sure to click this button to sync it, and there we go. You'll get a green check mark, and everything will be synced in a second. Now, if that doesn't work for you, and for some reason you don't see this add-ins option, what you want to do is open up your Mendeley application, and then in here you want to go up top where it says Tools, and then you have a few options over here. What you want to do is press the second one, which says Install Mendeley Site for Microsoft Word. Click on this, and this will take you to their website, this one over here, where you can see Mendeley site for Word. Pricing is free, and it says get it now. So what you want to do over here, you can read a bit about it if you want to, or just straight up press get it now, and then put in your name and your surname. Over here you can put in your job title and company if you want to, and then you're going to have to put in your country/region and your phone number again if you want to. What you then want to do is press get it now, and then this will take you to Microsoft 365 to complete this process. There we go. You're then going to have to sign in to your account, and then as you can see, it says get started with the add-in. What you want to do is then simply press open in Word. Now it says this add-in works in Word on iPad, Word 2016, or later on Windows, Word 2016, or later on Mac, Word on the web. So you can press open in Word, and then you can allow it by pressing open in Word over here. And there we go. As you can see, it will automatically add that exact same add-in as we just did. You're going to have to accept and continue over here, and the rest is pretty much the same. As you can see, we get that right banner, and we get some instructions over here on screen. So that's pretty much it. Those are the two ways of linking Mendeley Reference Manager and Microsoft Word. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.